Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the day has come. We are going to have CPI today. Yes, CPI is a big event for Forex traders as we get to see volatility in the market. So beginners, new traders, traders with low capital, try to avoid any trading during CPI after CPI because of the extreme volatility. And beginners, you can also close down all your US dollar positions before the news because your stop losses may not work because of slippage. So CPI is about to come out. You can check out the event, you can check out the timing on any economic calendar. You can also go to forexfactory.com and change the timing according to your time zone. You will come to know, okay, in what time it's coming in your country. For example, in my country, okay, I'm about to have CPI, not I am, but we are about to have CPI around 6 p.m. Okay, so in your country, okay, I don't know the timing. You can simply go to the time here, change the time zone, we'll come to know the exact timing of CPI. And if you look at the news, then you can see here dollar dips ahead of US inflation data, central bank meetings. The US Labor Department CPI report is expected to show that inflation cooled slightly in May, which could give the Fed room to pause its aggressive rate hike cycle when it announces its interest rate decision on Wednesday. So more or less market is expecting that Fed will be going for a pause in the interest rate hikes. Okay, so if the news comes out according to the expectation, then we have two possibilities in the market. First of all, we will get to see dollar going down and Euro USD going up. This is the first possibility. And the second possibility is that as market already knows about it, market has already digested the news, as a result of which we will get to see strong price rejection on DXY as well as on Euro USD, because the digestion capacity of market is extremely good. You must be knowing very well right now. So strong price rejection is also very much possible if the news comes out as expected. Okay, so let's wait and watch how the market reacts. That's why news trading is considered as one of the hardest form of trading. So our previous resistance on DXY worked. So after CPI, if we see DXY going down, usually I say that do not try to focus on levels, because when fundamentals dominate the market, technicals usually fail. But today there is a chance that technicals may work as well. So the strongest support on the chart of DXY is around 102.27. This is the strongest support on the chart of DXY, and the second level is around 102.74. This is the second level. You can see here 102.27 is the Fibonacci 61.8% retracement level, which was also the previous resistance. So previous resistance will be acting as support here in case there's a big drop in the market, and as market is already ready for the news, we can expect the market to take support around this area. Okay, but be careful, get the confirmation first. Okay. Secondly, we have support around 102.74 because of Fibo 50. It also has the capacity to work. If market takes support, then only plan your trades accordingly. But if we see that just like other news market, the levels are not working, then also you need to follow the trend only. Be careful. And on the other hand, if DXY really wants to continue the upside, it will have to cross 104.75. So this level is still the resistance for DXY right now. So now let's look at the chart of Euro USD. So Euro USD beautifully respected our previous resistance, and we can see that Euro dollar is heading again towards the resistance. But this time there is a good chance that Euro USD will be breaking this level instead of reversing. Why? Because we can see that Euro USD is forming higher lows in the market, and forming higher lows signify that new buyers are joining the market and their intention of taking the market up. So there's a high chance that Euro USD will be breaking this level. So before CPI, okay, before CPI, if you see euro dollar around this area, observe the market and see how the market is doing. If market breaks the level here. If market breaks the level here, observe the size of the candle. If you see the size of the candle is good enough, then what you can do is you can enter with a small lot size, because taking a buy at breakout before a big event is little bit risky. Why? Because usually we don't get to see much volatility before a big event. So there's a high chance that market may also show us a false breakout as well. So if there is a problem of false breakout in the market, then obviously you'll be pissed, you'll be frustrated. So just to avoid the problem, if you see the market is going for a breakout with a big green candle, you cannot control the urge, go with a small lot size, because after a few minutes or few hours, when you'll see that market is coming for retracement, then you can enter again, because it is always better and safer to enter at pullback or retracement instead of taking a buy at breakout. So you can go for a small lot size. When you see the market is coming down for retracement and going up, you can enter again. That can be a proper strategy. But as of now, there is a high chance, it looks like there is a high chance the market will not reverse from the resistance. If it reverses because of low volatility, low volume, you can consider a sell position as well. So volatility of the market will decide whether market will break the resistance or whether market will reverse from the resistance. But as of now, okay, there is not much volume in the market, so do not expect a very big trade, because the market is mostly waiting for the news. And after news, if market shows extreme price rejections from both the sides, then you can expect the level of 1.0860 to 1.0850 to work as the next big resistance on the chart of euro dollar. Okay. If market hits the level and reverses, you can also look for a sell position after news. Okay. Usually I do not talk about reversal trades after news. I prefer to follow the trend of the market, but today I have a feeling that we may get to see some price rejection on reversals as well. If market reverses from this level, we can also look for some sell. Okay. And on the other hand, if you see euro dollar going down, the pair going down, then observe the market around the FIBO 50% retracement level, which is 1.0725. It can be 1.0730 also. Around this area we have the 200 moving average as well as Fibonacci 50% retracement level. After news, if market drops and if you see that market is trying to take support, market is showing price rejection from below around this area, you can also consider a buy position with proper risk management. Okay, but try to avoid placing trades on immediate support like 1.0739 and taking a sell around the immediate resistance of 1.0820, 1.0810 level that we discussed on Saturday. Because after news, the immediate levels may not work. Though there may be some price rejection, the immediate levels may not work, so be careful. Though we have discussed about the positive possibilities of the trend reversals or price rejection for the last couple of minutes, but in case our expectation it doesn't work out, and if you see a complete trending market, then obviously try to follow the trend of the market. Okay. So if possible, try to wait for the first 30 minutes, wait for the market to settle down during the first 30 minutes, because after the 30 minutes we get to see, okay, in which direction the market. So let's wait and watch how the market reacts. Whatever you do, follow proper risk management. Strict risk management is important in this type of market situation when there's a news in the market. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. Be a trader, not gambler. Do not gamble. Bye-bye. Take care.